So, as it was pointed out by many of our viewers on our full ship tour of Jewel of the Seas, we missed the adults-only solarium, and I'm ashamed. Dramatic pause over. All right, let's go check it out. All right, let's check out the solarium here on Jewel of the Seas, and let me know in the comments what you think of it. You can see you got the solarium bar. Hello. Hello. Check out all that decor, like the ropes on the stools. Now this solarium is Asian themed, as you'll see. You can see got the clay. There's the red and the black. Look at that. You can see it's enclosed. It's nice in here right now on a beautiful sunny day here in the Bahamas. You got the bells. And on top, you can see it almost gives it like a forest feel, like you're in Indiana Jones. And here you have these giant sleeping elephants. That's amazing. Let's walk across the bridge here. So this is Radiance class. These ships were made to travel to the more exotic areas, such as Alaska and Asia. And these ships have over 3 acres of glass for amazing ocean views for those itineraries. Give you a better view of the pool and the enclosed top right there. And imagine being in Alaska and seeing snow-capped mountains while you're in here. And we'll be in Alaska this summer, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then, as I showed you the bar on that side, this side we have Solarium Cafe, as this ship doesn't have a Pearl Cafe or a Park Cafe. And it doesn't have a Sorrento's, but this is where you will get your midday and late night snacks. It's open from 3 to 6, I believe. And then from 9 until late. And before I forget, there is also a single hot tub, in case you guys didn't see it, but I know I didn't point it out. Once again, the adults only solarium. Look at that wall decor back there, the clay. That's beautiful. Adults only solarium here on Jewel of the Seas. And so that's what we missed on a full tour. So if you want to go check that out, here's the link right here. I appreciate you watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.